I run a design studio in the heart of Delhi. And if you are in the creative world, you know the pressure. Clients want everything faster, better, and more innovative. For years, we thought the only way to keep up was to work longer hours, to grind harder through the weekend. Well, the hustle is real. But what if I told you that my team now regularly accomplishes a full week's worth of design work in just a single day? It's not because we are working harder, because we are working smarter. We've adopted a new kind of team member, a secret weapon that has completely revolutionized our work. And that weapon is AI. But not in the way you think. It isn't about replacing designers. This is about giving them superpowers. Today, I'm going to share the 8 secret tools that have transformed our process from the first spark of an idea to the final line of code. This is the blueprint that has allowed us to reclaim our time, supercharge our creativity, and deliver work that we used to only dream of. This isn't just a list of tools. This is the new standard for high-performance design. Now, ready to upgrade your workflow? Let's begin. So before we dive in, we need a mindset shift, guys. We don't see AI as a replacement. We see it as a new digital apprentice. It's the first thing in the studio every morning. It never complains about tedious tasks, and its only goal is to support our creative vision. It's our personal design system, our lightning fast user researcher, and as you'll see at the end, our new front-end developer, all on demand. It handles the how so that my team and I can focus on the why. So as we go through this, I want you to ask yourself, what is the one task that drains your creative energy the most? Well, let's find an AI apprentice to handle it for you. We are going to walk through the entire design process from a blank page to a finished product, and I'll show you the exact tool and the pro tips we use at each stage. The blank Figma file. Every designer knows the dread. We had a client, a new fintech app, and they just said, show us some concepts. So open-ended. Instead of spending days on a mood board, we now use AI inside Figma, specifically Galileo AI. What I love about it is its ability to understand and not just components but adjectives. Okay, now watch this. I'm typing design a mobile banking app dashboard that feels secure, trustworthy, and modern using a dark theme with a subtle green accent. Now it's processing. And look, it's not just a wireframe, it's a high-fidelity, emotionally aware design. We can generate 5 completely different concepts in just 10 minutes. And my pro tip, always include emotional keywords like secure, friendly, calm in your prompts. The AI is surprisingly good at translating feelings into visuals. For those napkin sketch ideas, we've all been there. Scribbling on a tissue at a chai stall because of an idea hits. This is UiZard. This is for rapid workshops. Well, my pro tip, when you're sketching for UiZard, use a thick black pen and draw clear, closed shapes. This AI recognizes confident lines far better than faint sketches. Next, let's kill the lorem ipsum forever. It's a lie. It makes your design feel hollow and breaks the user experience before it even begins. So tool 3 is our content apprentice, GPT-4. We have a dedicated chat thread for our studio where we craft personas. You are a friendly and reassuring UX writer for a healthcare app. Now, write an error message for a failed login under 12 words. The quality of the micro copy that comes back is empathetic and instantly makes the design feel real. For entire pages, our tool 4 is copy.ai, and my pro tip, use its brand voice feature. Feed it to your client's website or brand guidelines, and every piece of content it generates, from headlines to body text, will be perfectly on brand. It's a massive time saver for all your client presentations. This is where our AI apprentice gets a PhD, user research. Tool 5 is Maze AI. I used to have a junior designer who would spend 2 full days analyzing a handful of user interview transcripts. Now, we feed the recordings to Maze. It gives us transcripts, summaries, and a full report of user sentiment and the most common pain points in just about 30 minutes. It doesn't replace our analysis, it supercharges it, allowing us to walk into a client meeting with qualified, qualitative data. And we can't talk about empathy without talking about accessibility. So tool number 6 is Stark. This is non-negotiable for us. It's our AI accessibility consultant. And my pro tip, don't just use this contrast checker. Use use its AI all text generator and its focus order tool. It helps you see your design through the eyes of someone using a screen reader, making you a more empathetic designer from the start. This one's just pure joy. Stock icon libraries are dead. Our tool 7 is Iconify AI. We had a travel client who needed dozens of unique icons for landmarks across India. So instead of spending weeks illustrating, we just prompted a minimalist lined art icon for the Taj Mahal, SVG in a deep indigo color. And we had it. Alright, this is the grand finale. The tool that solves the biggest source of friction in every tech company on earth, the handoff. We have spent weeks getting this design perfect. The spacing, the components, the feel, it's all there. In the past, this would be the start of a long, painful process with our developer colleague. Now, we just click one button. Anima is analyzing our design system and converting it into clean, component-based React code. This isn't messy, unusable export. It's real, usable code. It has single-handedly cut our development time by 30% and made our developers, well, it's made them our best friends. This is the holy grail. So you see, this isn't about letting AI design for you. It's about letting AI handle those tedious, repetitive, the soul-crushing parts of the job so you can be what you were always meant to be. Creative director, a strategic thinker, an orchestrator of a powerful human AI team. The future isn't about being replaced. It's about being liberated. The designers who embrace this will be the ones who lead the next generation of product innovation. The ones who don't, well, they'll be stuck drawing grey boxes. This was a deep dive and I want to give you the exact resources we use in my studio every single day. I've compiled my personal UI UX AI toolkit cheat sheet. It's a comprehensive guide with links to all those 8 tools, detailed use cases, and the most valuable part, 3 of my secret high-potency prompt templates for each tool to guarantee you get amazing results from day one. This is the blueprint that saved my passion for design. Now, one last thing. This is a community and not just a channel. What is the one task you are most excited to hand over to your new AI apprentice? Let's share our ideas in the comments. And if this story and these tools resonated with you, then do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you for being here with me, and now go build something beautiful.